This is Paul Wett with Wett Trader LLC.com, and I truly feel everyone should be able to make extra money with an automated software that is user-friendly and easy to spot lower risk, higher probability trades. For that reason, for my week ending September 16, 2016, I will show you what the software did on autopilot, and then I will continue to discuss the Fibonacci Retracement Tool and how Wett Trader LLC.com uses this to identify these lower risk, higher probability trades, and how you can do the same. Make sense? Okay, folks, let's get started. This is what we did the first few days in the S&P 500. Okay, this is closed out. This is a snapshot of the software dashboard. This is S&P 500 December contract, as you can see over here. 5 minute, 15, 20, 62, 40. You don't have to run them all the time. I usually just let this demo run. Make sure everything's clicking like it should click. Now, as you can see, we had some great profit. This is first couple days. Next couple days here. 15 minute, doing really good here. So that would be 17 plus 11, so that's $2,800 just on the 15 minute running on autopilot. I usually run these on, I usually get up early. I do the opening of the London session and close it out at the US session. And then this was the last part of the week. Obviously you see here that the 5 minute was a little choppy, which is fine. It was still up 345, I think, on the week. But once again, the 15 minute took the gold. And I think the demo account was up like $5,000, a little over 5,000 for week ending September 16th. Now let me show you some of these trades. Now this was at 5 minute in the beginning here. And like I said, folks, this is a price and time software. Uses time and uses the definition of a trend. Higher high, higher low. So my place where I'd like to buy in an uptrend would be at the next higher low, because that will reduce my risk and increase my probability of a successful trade. And as you can see, when the market goes sideways, it buys, sells, buys, sells. But as the market trends and we see these higher lows popping up here, if we're not already in the trade, now this trade was long all the way up until here, and it got out up in this area here, and then it bought it again. And then it made another new high, got out, and bought it again. So that's the trend. That was the 5 minute trade. This is the 15 minute buys and some buys and sells here. Now, this is based on a software moving average, which you can choose depending on your education in trading and your experience. Obviously, I could set the two settings at, this is a 21 moving average, is the green one, the 40 is the red one. So as long as we're below the green and the red, which is the 2140, this thing will keep selling. Well, if I change it to 821, if we come up over here and the 21 crosses the 8 crosses the 21, then it's going to look for a buy. But then once again, the trend changes, because now we're below, it will get out of the buy automatically and sell again. This trade here, as you can see, is clearly below, but this is the 15 minute, folks, and you do have the ability to trade reversals. Reversals are higher, a little higher risk. They're 60 to 70% probability for winners. And I usually do use the 15 minute to trade the reversal trades. This is just a button that you click and you unclick. Other than that, it does the trends. So if the moving averages are above, it buys. The moving averages below, it sells. That's how easy it is, folks. Now, how do you want to be able to spot low risk, higher probability trades? Well, folks, the software comes with a full functioning interactive chart. Now, the software here tells you where the swing highs and swing lows are. based on higher highs and higher lows. But with the tools here, you can draw Fibonacci channels. So if I come here and I take my high and I take my last swing low here, you can see that we found some support here at the 786. And then we continued on. This is what the software will do automatically. Point and click. I can't find a software. I have never seen a software that's this easy. Here's another wave high, wave low here. We found support here at the 23.6% retracement level. This is a higher low, as you can see by the green, right? The green means buy. And the software will look for that retracement. And depending on the moving average you choose, now I do on the 20 minutes, sometimes I choose the 1321 to get a little bit smoother. So if I was to do the 1321, I could just add a moving average of 13 on here. This is how easy it is, folks. I want to change my color a little different because I want to see, make sure I don't use a color that's already being used. You see that? So it's a much cleaner line, as you can see. It never crosses the 21. So then when this moving average would come here, it would look to sell. And it does it automatically. So let me show you how we could spot some let me get rid of some of these real quick. Now I'll show you how the sell works. Same philosophy, folks. You just use the last swing high to the last swing low. See, I can go like this here. I see this high here now. Now, the software will automatically, if it's red, it's looking to sell, sell, sell. And you have a lot of good opportunities here to sell, sell, sell. So then I just click on my draw line. I take the swing low here from this wave here to this high here. And look at this. We have resistance here at the 0.618 level. And that's a nice sell here. And that's how Wett Trader works automatically. Now you can also get the data just by right-clicking on the data bar. And it tells you what the current high and low that it's using to calculate it. It's a price and time. It will not place a trade unless the time and the price align. So with www.wetttraderllc.com, you have an opportunity to trade the trend, to find lower risk, higher probability trades, and make returns like these at a click of a mouse. www.wetttraderllc.com. We have a free demo you can try. www.wetttraderllc.com. Free demo, 14-day free demo, folks. Try it, download it. The demo version, the live version, exactly the same. www.wetttraderllc.com.